Hi guys, so my name is Megan Buckley. I am a junior here at CSU. I'm originally from Evergreen, Colorado. I actually transferred my sophomore year here to pursue my major, which is interior architecture and design. My career goals, so I want to work with a design firm right after college, hopefully get an internship and pursue that. Um, I'm minoring in business. So in the far future, I hope to start my own business and I really want to build tiny houses. I think they're really becoming more popular. Um, and I think economically it's better in the long run and plus they're really cute. So I really want to pursue that. Yeah. So during this course, I want to perfect my writing skills. And I know this course will help me with my communication skills, speaking, writing, and listening. Um, and with all that, it will help me with my professional jobs in the future. And I know, like, starting your own business, like, you want to be more professional. I know that I do write a lot of papers for college, obviously, but they're, research papers and stuff, like, nothing you can really use in the future. So this course will definitely help me writing professionally. And without those skills, I believe that jobs will see me as more confident and be able to communicate with others, which is key essential into creating your business and just starting working somewhere. And I think those skills will also help just make me a more confident person in the long run. And yeah, so I'm excited to take this course.